Guys, this is Sahil from alphabetazone.com, and in this video I will show you how to enable the quick purchase on your YouTube app. So if you want to enable the quick purchase on YouTube app, you need to enable this feature. Like in many cases, if you want to purchase a merchandise or any product from YouTube account, or if you want to purchase a premium membership or buy a thanks on YouTube, you need to verify again and again, and you need to do some step before buying or purchasing a membership or thanks. You can do it very easily by one click by using this feature of YouTube. So in order to enable the quick purchase on YouTube, first you need to click on the profile icon at the right side corner of the screen, and here you need to select the setting option. Under setting option, there are lots of options will be given, but you need to scroll down and click on billing and payment section. Now here you will see there is an option called enable quick purchase. Once you toggle on this feature, it will ask your Gmail password. Enter your Gmail password, and after verification it will enable this quick purchase option, and after this you will be able to purchase anything quickly on YouTube. I hope this guide was helpful and you will be able to enable quick purchase on YouTube account. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and visit our website alphabetazone.com.